worry, and honestly I would recommend this, head over to crimethink.com, which is crime, THINC.com. They're fairly effectively shadow banned on a lot of social media platforms, or regular banned on a lot of social media platforms, because the crackdown on free speech has been happening for a while, because when we empower various platforms to determine what kind of speech to allow, it ends up backfiring and hurting leftists. Anyway, whatever. You can head over to crimethink.com to read what they have to say. But for now, ads! I bet you knew ads were coming. Here they are. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
What the fuck are you doing, lady?
And we're back. Okay, this piece I posted last week on my Substack. It's called I Can't Tell You What's Coming. My dog knows there's something wrong, and he's anxious. He hasn't mastered the art of doom scrolling, and I don't think he takes much in from the news podcasts we listen to. But he can tell that I'm worried, which makes him worried, which in